Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If you are preparing for SAT, ACT, GCSE, A-level or any high school exam, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into very important geometry topic, that is characteristic of quadrilaterals and properties of quadrilaterals. By the end of this lesson, you will not only understand their diagonals, properties and line of symmetry, but also you have strengthened your logical reasoning and problem solving skills essential for scoring high in exam. Now here the question number 1 is related to this is in parallelogram ABCD, find the value of x and y, and this is the shape of parallelogram, and length of this side is 3y minus 1 and length of this side is 26, length of this side is 3x and this side is 18 centimeter. So you have to find the value of x and y. In a parallelogram, you know that opposite sides length are equal because this is same as the rectangle. So that's why this is the property of parallelogram, that opposite side, these sides are opposite, that are parallel and congruent, and also the opposite angles are congruent. So according to this, we get 3x equals 18 centimeter. You will write 3x equal 18 and the 3y minus 1 equals 26. You will write 3y minus 1 equals 26. Now you have to find the value of x and y. For this purpose, 3 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So x equals 18 by 3 and here you get 3y equals minus 1 is subtracted here, it will be added. So 26 plus 1, this become 27 and you have 3y equals 27. Now 3 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So you get, when you divide 27 by 3, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. So y equals 9. And here you get 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. So x is 6. This is the answer. So now you can easily solve the value of x and y just by equating the opposite sides. Means 3x equal 18 and 3y minus 1 equal 26, and easily you have find, because this is the property of parallelogram, that opposite sides are congruent and parallel. Now question number 2. Now question number 2 is ABCD is a rhombus with angle on A. The letter which is right in the middle represent the angle on that. So A angle is 56 degree. Determine the angle DBC. You have to find the angle of DBC. For this purpose, first of all, I will draw a rhombus. Rhombus is same like the square. So in a square, all the angles are of 90 degree, but in rhombus angles are not 90 degree. So this is the D, A, B, C and D, and the angle on A is 56 degree. This angle is 56 degree because according to this diagram, you have to find this angle. So for this purpose, in a rhombus, opposite angles are equal. This is the property of rhombus. If this angle is 56 degree, then other angle will be also 56 degree. So we will write angle on A equals angle on C. So we will write DCB. This one middle letter represent the angle. Then we know angle on A is 56. It means this angle is also equal to 56 because this is according to the property of rhombus. Now the next step is, you know the sum of angles if we draw a triangle, if we join this diagonal, you know the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So according to this, you have to find the angle on B. So if you name this angle as X, so we will write this as, this angle is X, so this angle is also X. So write the angle. So you can also see write this as angle of A plus angle of B plus angle of D, because this is 56 already we noted. So angle of A plus angle of B, this is the angle of B plus angle of D equals 180 degree, because this is a right angle triangle. So three sum of angles, this is 56, this is X and this is X. So write this as 56 plus X equals 180 degree. So 56 is added here, it will be subtracted. So 180 minus 56, it will be 124. So you get X plus X is 2X equal 180 minus 56, that is 124. 2 of X. So X is multiplied here, 2 is multiplied by X, so it will be divided. So X equal 124 divided by 2 and you get 62. X is 62. So our answer is X is 62. This is the answer. Now we will solve the question number 3. Now the question number 3 is, in a given figure ABCD is a rectangle and its diagonal meet at O. Find X. If OB is 2X plus 4, OC is 3X plus 1, find the value of B and D. For this purpose, first of all, I will draw the diagram. So this is the diagram. This point is A, this point is B, this point is C and this point is D. This point is C and this point is D. And the middle point will be O, because diagonals meet. This is the diagonal and this is the other one diagonal. And the diagonal meet at point O according to the diagram. Now you have to find the X. You have to find the X value. If OB means this length. This length is given 2X plus 4. And OC is this one, 3X plus 1. And also you have to find the value of BD, this whole value. Now we will solve this as, first of all, you know this is a rectangle. So in rectangle, parallel side length are equal and its diagonal length are also equal. So according to this, OB equals OC. So first step is you will write OB equals OC, because this and this length are equal. So OB equals 2X plus 4 and OC equals 3X plus 1. You have to find the value of X. For this purpose, 2X will be gone to this side of the equation and minus 1 will go on to this side of the equation. So we will write 4 minus 1, because 1 is added here, it will be subtracted. And 3X, this is plus 2, so it will be minus 2X. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3X minus 2X is X. So value of X is 3. Now you have to find also the value of BD, whole value. So BD, you can see the whole length is basically, this is the half. Half is 2X, so this will be also 2X plus 4. So because this is a rectangle shape, so BD equals 2X plus 4 plus 2X plus 4. And now it will become 2X plus 2X is 4X and 4 is 8. Now you will substitute the value of X, that is 3. So 4 into 3 plus 8, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So this is 20. 20 is the answer. Now we will solve question number 4. Now the question number 4. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 5 and 3x plus 11. You have to find the angles of the parallelogram. Now the first point you have to note is the sum of the adjacent angle is equal to what? So sum of adjacent angles are equals 180 degree. It's mean total sum is 180. You know the first angle and the second angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degree. It's mean angle 1 is 3x minus 5 and angle 2 is given 3x plus 11. So this is 180. So 3x plus 3x will be 6x and 11 minus 5 is also 6. That equals 180. So 6x equals 180 minus 6. It will equals 120. It will equals 174. So you have to find the value of x. So it's mean 174 is divided by 6. Divide this and get the final answer. So 6 2s are 12, 7 minus 2 is 5, then 6 9s are 54. You get value of x, that is 29. Now you have to find the angles. First you write the value of x, that is 29. Now we will find the value of the angles. For this purpose, we will write this as angle 1, that equals 3x minus 5. Then x is multiplied by 29 minus 5. Now multiply this. 29 into 3 is 87 minus 5. So 87 minus 5 will be 82. This is the first angle. Now same as it is, we will find the angle 2. That is 3x plus 11. Now substitute the value of x, that is 29 plus 11. So 29 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 87 plus 11, this will be 98. So this will be the angle 2. Now you can verify your answer in a one step. Verification means you will add both of them, and if your answer is equals 180, it's mean you have done this right. So 82 plus 98, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, and 9 plus 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 1, 18. So you got your right answer. It's mean your angles are correct. Now we will solve question number 5. Now question number 5 is, one side of parallelogram is 4.8 centimeter and the other side is 1 into 1 by 2 times of this side. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram. For this purpose, we have to find the value of x. So first of all, we will solve this in a very easy and quick steps. You write the first side or one side that is given. One side equals 4.8 and the other side is equals 1 into 1 by 2 of 4.8. So of represent multiplication. Always remember that of represent multiplication. So multiply by 4.8. Now this is a mixed fraction. So you will solve this to convert this in an improper fraction. So 2 multiply 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will become 3 by 2. Now here we will remove the decimal, like it will become 10. So now we will solve this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. It's mean we got 3 multiplied 24 divided by 10. So 24 multiplied by 3. You get 3 into 2, 4 is 12. Then 3 into 2, 6, 72. You got 72 by 10. Now divide this. 72 is divided by 10. So you got 10 sevens are 70 and then 20 after decimal. So it will be 7.2. You got 7.2 is the other side. Now you have to find the perimeter. Here we write these two sides, that equals one side and the second side is equals 7.2. Now we will find the perimeter. So write down the formula of perimeter. Perimeter of a parallelogram is equal side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 equals, so that equals perimeter. So we use this technique because parallelogram is same as rectangle shape, only angle is changed because in rectangle angles are 90 degree. So side 1 and up parallel sides are equal, so side 1 equals 4.8 and side 2 equals 7.2. Like I will draw this here. Consider this is a parallelogram shape. This side is 4.8. This is the side 1, first side, and this is the second. This is the one and this is the second. So you can see opposite sides are equal. So third side is also 4.8 and the fourth side will be 7.2. So third side is 4.8 and the fourth side will be 7.2 because this is a parallelogram same as the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this will be 4.8 plus 7.2. This is perimeter. So we will add them. Add these four quantities. 4.8, 4.8, 7.2, 7.2. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 0. There is 0, then decimal, and 2 is carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. You got 24. So your answer is 24. This is equals perimeter. And unit is centimeter because he said that 4.8 centimeter. So must write the unit. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the question number 6. Now in a given figure A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Find the value of X, Y, Z and P. First of all, I will draw the diagram of a parallelogram. Let's suppose this is a parallelogram and this is A, this is B and this is C and this is D. And here this side is exceeded and angle is 105 degree. And this angle is Y, this angle is Z, this angle is P and this angle is X. Now here is a point. Before solving this, you have to understand that always remember angle on full circle. Like this is a full circle, angle is 360 whole angle. But when we make this half semicircle, or when you see a protractor, this half angle is 180 degree. So half is 180. For this purpose, now you can see here, this angle is given 105. This angle is Z, and whole, if we consider this whole angle, so this is a half, so this will be 180 degree. So you will solve this as right Z plus 105 degree equals 180 degree according to the half angle. half or semicircle. So you can easily find the value of z. So 180 minus 105. So subtract this. This will be 75. So value of z is 75 degree. Now the next step is, this angle is 75. You know the opposite angles are equal. So P will be also, P is opposite to Z. So that equals 75 degree. Now after finding this, you know the value of P is also 75. Again, you will solve this to find the value of x and y. So to find the x, you can see also x plus z is also 180 degree, or you can write this as y plus p, because in a line angles are also y plus p is 180 degree. So use any one equation like x plus z equals 180 degree. You know the value of z since z equals 75. So as z equals 75, so put this value x plus 75 equals 180. So to find the value of x, 75 is added here, it will be subtracted. So 180 minus 75. So when you subtract this 180 minus 75, you will get answer equals 105. So value of x is 105. And y is also equals x. X equals y, so both are equal 105. And the z and p are equal, that are 75. So this is the answer. Now we will do question number 7. Now this is the question number 7. In trapezium ABCD, AB equals DC, and angle on B and angle on C is 80 degree. Find other two angles. You have to find the other two angles and also find x. You have to find the value of x if the sum of exterior angle is 3x plus 10. So first of all, students, you consider this point, that what is a trapezium. So trapezium is a shape same as a quadrilateral shape in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel and no angles, no diagonals are congruent in a trapezium. I will draw here a trapezium shape. This is like this one. This is a trapezium. Now consider this is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. Given that angle on B and angle on C, this angle is 80 degree and this angle is also 80 degree. And you have to find the value of x. This is x, this is x. Now always remember that sum of interior, these are inside angles, so interior angles, sum of interior angles equals 360. So now I will write all the interior angles, that are x plus 80 plus 80, that equals 360. It's mean x plus x is 2x and 80 plus 80 is 160, that equals 360. So 2x equals 360 minus 160. This implies that 360 minus 160 will be equals to 200. So we know that 2x equals 200. 2 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So 200 divided by 2, we get answer x equals 100. Now we will solve the question. Next part, he said that find the exterior angle. So point is clear. If angle is interior or exterior, sum equals 180, 360. So sum of exterior. Now exterior angle is 5x plus 10, so you have to find the value of x. So this shape is a trapezium, so 360 is also divided by 4 because number of sides are 4. So easily you can find 4 is multiplied by 5x plus 10, then equal 360. 20x plus 40 equal 360. Now 20 is added, it will be subtracted, so you get 360 minus 40, that is 320. So 20x is divided by 320. We will solve this here. So 0 and 0 are cancelled out. 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. So x is 16. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 8. Now this is the question number 8. In the question number 8, in a rhombus PQRS, if angle on P equals 3x minus 5 and angle on Q is 2x plus 15, then find the value of x. First of all, I will draw a rhombus. This is a rhombus in which this point is P, this point is Q, this point is R, and this point is S. So you know angle on P is 3x minus 5 and angle on Q is 2x plus 15. Now you know this angle is 180. So these are these angles are drawn on the same line. That's why we will say angle of P plus angle of Q equals 180 degree. This is the solution. So just write these two values, 3x minus 5 plus 2x plus 15, both are equals 180. Now 3x plus 2x will be 5x, 15 minus 5 is 10 equals 180. After this 5x equals 180 minus 10, because plus 10 is here, then it will be minus 10. So 5x equal 180 minus 10 is 170. So 170 is divided by 5. 5 3s are 15, then 20, 5 4s are 20. So we get x equals 34. Now he also says that find these angles. So angle P that equals 3x minus 5. It means we will substitute the value of x, that is 34. So 34 minus 5. 4 into 3 is 12. 3 3s are 9 and 10. 102 minus 5. So after subtraction of this, you will get the value of 102 minus 5. So 12 minus 5 will be 7 and 9, 97. This is 97, and same angle Q is 2x plus 15. So 2 into x is 34 plus 15. So this is 68 plus 15. 68 plus 15 gives, add both of them, 8 plus 5 13, 6 plus 1 7 and 8 83. So this angle is 83. Now you will write angle 1. Angle 1 is 97 and angle 2 is 83. This is the solution. Now question number 9. Now question number 9 is, if large angle of parallelogram is 24 more than the smaller angle, then find both angles. You have to find the both angles also. Now consider this is a parallelogram. Consider this is a small angle, like this is x, and the other angle is 24 more than, so it will be x plus 24. Now you will write this as angle 1 equal x and angle 2 is equal x plus 24. And you know sum is equal 180 degree. So sum angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degree. It's mean x plus 24 equals 180. Now solve this. X plus x is 2x. Here plus 24 it will be subtracted. So 180 minus 24. 7 minus 2 is 5. 56. So you get 156. Now 156 is divided by 2. X equal 156 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are. X equals 78. So this is the answer. Now you will write the values here. X is 78 and the angle 2 is 78 plus 24. So add both of them. 102. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the last question. Now question number 11. Find each angle of trapezium. This is the shape trapezium, and I already told in the start that the sum of all the angles equal 360 in a trapezium. Sum equal 360. So we will add all of them. This is the angle 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. All angles are given. So first is 2x plus 15. Second is x plus 15. Third is x, and the 4 is 3x minus 20, and that equals 360. Now add 2x plus x plus and this one. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So you got 7x. 7x. Now 15 plus 15 is 30, 30 minus 20 is 10, 7x plus 10 equals 360. Now 10 is added here, it will be subtracted. So 7x equals 360 minus 10. It's mean we get 350. Now 7x equals 350. Now 7 is multiplied here, it will be divided. So value of x is 50. Now we will find all the angles. So first of all rewrite the value of x. X is 50. Now first we do the for angle 1. Angle 1 was 2x plus 15. Just substitute the value of x. So 2 into 50 is 100 plus 15. This is 115. This is angle 1. Now we will find the angle 2. Also write this. Angle 2 is x plus 15. It's mean 50 plus 15. That is 65. Now write the angle 3. Angle 3 is just x. So x is 50. Now we will find angle 4. That is 3x minus 20. It's mean x is 50 minus 20. So 150 minus 20 will gives 130. So these are the answers. Now this is the complete solution for characteristic of different quadrilaterals, and quadrilaterals are different shapes like square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, and we have studied different their diagonal properties also. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in the next video I will do some concepts and one short video for radius, chord, diameter, arc of a circle, minor and major arc, and what are the semicircle. So also turn on the notification, you will get video. So best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.